Hi there. Sugar customers have received a notice about the 2023 Q1 upgrade release for Sugar version 12.3. The process for this upgrade will be like any other quarterly upgrade release by Sugar. If you're in the cloud, Sugar is going to do the upgrade for you. You can request that this upgrade is performed in a sandbox or development environment before you have it done on your production environment. Especially if you have any special customizations or integrations that are business critical, please let me know so we can do a test run ahead of time. This upgrade is going to have a pretty substantial new look for everyone's Sugar instance. And I'll kind of walk through the comparisons of what you're used to in version 12.2 and prior versus what you will have in 12.3 as far as the user interface and navigation. There will be no option to have a classic view, so once you're upgraded, this is what Sugar is going to look like from now on going forward. So let me click over to a demo instance with the 12.2 layout. The biggest change you're going to see is that your navigation bar, which has been historically at the top of the page, now going to be on the left-hand sidebar. So basically, instead of having your modules listed up here, you're going to have an icon for modules. And when you hover over them, it'll tell you what they are. You can expand the drawer and see the full names. And each one of these icons is customizable from a library of icons that Sugar has provided. If you don't like any of the icons, you can also choose to do abbreviations, 2-letter abbreviations. The first 4 are going to be the modules that show up in the default when it's minimized. These can be modified by either your admin or the individual user themselves, the order that is. And to do that, if you're an individual user, you would click on your avatar, click on Profile, and Edit, and then Advanced. And you can just click on the module you want to move and then use the up and down arrows. So if I wanted to put notes up in the 4th slot, I'll just slide that up and click Save. And then there it is. Notes. The next thing you'll notice is different between 12.2 and 12.3 is that these icons on the bottom right-hand side for mobile, dock merge, shortcuts, and help are now going to be, 3 of them will be located here on the bottom left-hand side of the bar. And then shortcuts, it's not visible in this demo instance right now, but it will be in this menu here. When it's in your instance. This demo instance is created just to kind of show high level what it's going to look like. It's not fully built out. And then lastly, you'll see that the search bar has moved from like a small box in the right hand side to dead front and center. And you can search all records, or you can select a specific module that you want to search. So let's say, I believe there's a customer in this demo called Constrata. Yeah, so as you can see, I type in Constrata and you got accounts, you've got purchase line items related to that account, and then a revenue line item. Yeah, and the search should be a lot faster than previously. There are going to be some additional features and things that have changed to make your users' day easier and more efficient. I believe there's going to be some changes in it being able to edit data inside of reports. Instead of having to click into the record themselves. But once that is confirmed and rolled out and I have access to a real demo instance that I can fully play around in, I'll record another video to kind of walk you through some of the changes that you may want to implement for yourself. All right. If you have any questions, or if you're worried about your instance being upgraded, without doing any testing, please let me know so we can get a ticket into Sugar support as soon as possible. We really want to try to keep this from being disruptive to anyone's business. So, yeah, reach out to me, shoot me an email, or give me a call, and I will make sure that your upgrade gets done in an environment that you can test before it goes live on your production. All right. Have a great weekend, everyone.